This is the dryer at my apartment complex. Maytag commercial. This one here is making a very loud thumping noise. This is a similar model, same model. There's a model number right there. It's the same one to that one. But this one's making the horrible thumping noise. These two guys. Very loud thumping. It could be one or the drum rollers. I do believe it's the drum rollers in this dryer that's gone bad. But it just makes a very loud racket. You can hear it from up on top, the third floor. It's very loud. And this is our dryers. The Maytag commercial top loader. And a speed clean. Have a nice day.